Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rosie O. Today I'd like to share with you this doily I made last year. I made it with a pattern I found on a Japanese magazine by the name Ondori. I'm already working on the step-by-step tutorial for this doily. Let me show you a close-up. The center, it has 8 leaves, so it's an 8 times repetition. When I'm making a tutorial, I always say continue with the repetitions. Each doily has different repetition. This has 8. This is a beginners to intermediate level. Anybody should be able to follow along. It measures approximately 14 inches or 36 centimeters, more or less. If you want to come back to follow along, I should be ready to upload the step-by-step next week, Tuesday or Wednesday. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.